So I'm in front of Santa Ana Honda, and I'm just trying to forget about it because it's not, you know, gonna do any better for me. But they haven't fulfilled what they said they were gonna do, and I gotta drive by here every single day. And the reason why I'm making a fuss about it, or a big deal about it, is they go on TV acting like they're so great when they really did something that wasn't cool, and it affected me personally. And the way I'm trying to look at it is, I'm trying to get new radio jobs and new jobs, and all I continue to see is Honda, 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 Honda. And they keep asking, well, what's your past background, your relationship? And I gotta sit here and explain this relationship, and that's what's starting to bother me, is it's affecting my future while I'm trying to leave it alone. So that's the reason why I'm talking about it, to get it behind me, whether you guys do anything or not. But